Hello students and welcome back. Now we have got bridge course test number 3 of English subject. You can see here standard 10th Marathi medium subject English and marks 20. So let's start. The first question, develop a story with the help of the following beginning. Suggest a suitable title. So let's read the beginning. Once there was a boy. His name was Dinesh. He had no. आता या नोच्या पुढे रिकामी जागा दिलेली आहे आणि ही स्टोरी आपल्याला या बिगिनिंगच्या सहित पूर्ण करायची आहे. तर ही पूर्ण स्टोरी अशी असेल. वन्स देर वॉज अ पुअर बॉय. हिज नेम वॉज दिनेश. ही हॅड नो पॅरेंट्स. सो he used to sell different things, vegetables, and fruits to earn his living. One day, in the season of mangoes, Dinesh went to a woman's hut to sell mangoes. The woman said to the boy that she would buy only one fourth of the mangoes. The little boy gave his mango basket to her. The woman took his basket inside her hut to take out the mangoes. The poor boy, Dinesh, was waiting outside the hut. The woman asked the boy, "Won't you step inside to watch that I could not take more than I need? What if I cheated you?" The boy replied silently, "I am never worried at all. Suppose if you take more than your share, I will only lose a few mangoes, but you will prove yourself a thief." In this way, Dinesh explained the honesty in a simple way. The title of this story is Honesty is the Best Policy. Next question, question 2. Observe the picture and write down what the children are doing. इथे एक चित्र दिलेलं आहे आणि त्या चित्रातील मुलं काय करतायत याचं ऑब्झर्वेशन करून आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. So let's observe. There are 6 children in the picture in total. One girl is reading a book sitting under the tree. The second girl is enjoying the swing. Number 3. One boy is playing with the football. Number 4. Another boy is dancing with joy. Number 5. A boy is observing something through the telescope. Number 6. A girl is drawing something on the board happily. In this way, we have observed the picture. हे पॉईंट्स तुम्ही अगदी नंबर टाकून किंवा पॅराग्राफच्या स्वरूपात सुद्धा लिहू शकता. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 3A. डू ॲज डिरेक्टेड. Identify a quotation and an idiomatic expression from the below sentences and write down. खालील वाक्यामधील आपल्याला idiomatic expression आणि quotation ओळखून समोर लिहायचं आहे. The first one, pull yourself together. This is an idiomatic expression. The second, live as if you were to die tomorrow. हे quotation आहे म्हणून याच्या उत्तराखाली आपण quotation असं लिहूया. Next, question 3B. Write a dialogue between you and your mother about making tea. चहा कसा बनवायचा याबद्दल तुम्ही आणि तुमची आई दोघांमधील संभाषण या ठिकाणी लिहायचं आहे. So let's write a dialogue. How to make tea? You said, "Hello mother, what are you doing?" Mother said, "Hello son, I am making tea." Son said, "Wow, will you please teach me how to make the tea?" Mother said, "Of course. Look here the steps. First, take 1 cup water and add a teaspoonful tea powder in it and boil it." Son said, "Okay, but what about milk?" Mother said, "When water boils, add a half cup of milk." Son said, "And the tea is ready." Mother said, "No, my son. You have to add some sugar according to your taste in it." Son said, "Okay. Should we continue boiling it?" Mother said, "Yes. You should boil the mixture again for 2 to 3 minutes." Son said, "Is it sufficient?" Mother said, "Yes, and your tea is ready." Son said, "Thanks for the teaching, Mom." Next, question 4A. Read the passage carefully and paraphrase the underlined words or phrases. या प्रश्नात पॅसेजमधील अंडरलाईन केलेल्या शब्दांचा अर्थ सांगून त्यांचा उपयोग आपल्याला वाक्यात करायचा आहे. सो द फर्स्ट अंडरलाइंड वर्ड इज एक्झॅजरेशन. इट मीन्स ओव्हरस्टेटिंग समथिंग. एक्झाम्पल 1. My friend has a habit of overstating. The second underlined word is convincing. It means ascertaining or assuring. Example: the confidence of soldiers was ascertaining the victory. Next question B. Do as directed. Number 1. If you study regularly, you will get good marks. And number 2. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Here is an instruction in the bracket. Underline the subordinate clauses in both the sentences and name them. वरील वाक्यातील सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस अंडरलाईन करून त्यांचं नाव सांगायचं आहे. सो इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स, इफ यू स्टडी रेग्युलरली यू विल गेट गुड मार्क्स. या वाक्यामध्ये इफ यू स्टडी रेग्युलरली हे ॲडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंडिशन आहे. इन द सेकंड सेंटेन्स, they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. यामधील which were yellow and crinkly हा भाग ॲडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज आहे. नंबर 2. Mathild saw some bracelets. The instruction is change into passive voice and the answer is some bracelets were seen by Mathild. Second sentence, the story was told by the writer and the instruction change into active voice. याला active voice मध्ये बदलायचं आहे and the answer is the writer told the story. Number 3. She likes to sing songs. Instruction underline the infinitive and the infinitive is to sing. Number 2 of 3. Playing violin is the best hobby. Instruction underline the gerund and the gerund in this sentence is playing. In this way, we have solved the test number 3 question paper of Bridge Course English. Thank you for watching.